Last week I was on D196, so Principles of Financial and Managerial Accounting. I said I was stuck, but after I recorded it, then I got like a second wind. I went back and studied some more. I watched Ed Spira YouTube videos. So if you go into the WGU subreddit for accounting, a lot of people recommend like Ed Spira to get like extra information and better context on like the accounting concepts. And so I just watched Ed Spira. He had videos on managerial accounting, costing, all the different concepts, and that was really helpful. And so once I watched his stuff, I went back, finished up watching the courses, and then I scheduled the practice test. I finished watching all the videos, reading all the chapters. I took the practice test, and for that course, you have to use Excel and like a calculator. And so for the practice test, I took in the same conditions as I would for the real exam. So I used the calculator, I used the whiteboard and the Excel spreadsheet, and that was it. I didn't use anything else. The one thing I did though was while I was doing the practice exam, any question I came across that was unfamiliar, I wrote it down on a piece of paper just so I could look it up later. I scheduled the real exam Sunday. I took that and I passed. So I did a lot better than I thought I would. I would say the practice test and the real exam were pretty similar. They both had similar Excel exercises and a setup, and the non-Excel questions I would say were pretty similar. So definitely reading the textbook and watching some of the videos were helpful, but and looking at the extra YouTube, the Expert videos really helped.